Today, we're going to share this delicious and simple recipe for the perfect creamy pumpkin sausage gnocchi. We are cooking this recipe on Chef, the world's first battery-powered induction stove. Being freed from cords and the hassle of gas stoves meant we were able to film this recipe at a local park, so we could soak up the beautiful fall weather without any harmful CO2 emissions or open flames. Here are the ingredients you will need. 16 ounces of mild Italian sausage, 1 tablespoon of butter, Italian seasoning, garlic powder, a half cup of chicken stock, 1 cup pumpkin puree, 1 cup heavy whipping cream, 4 cups of chopped kale, 16 ounces of fresh or frozen gnocchi, fresh grated Parmesan cheese, and finally, salt and pepper. Start by heating a large skillet over medium-high heat. Add your sausage and brown it. Once cooked through, remove the sausage from the pan and drain any fat. Now return the skillet to Chef and reduce the heat to medium. Add 1 tablespoon of butter and let it melt. Sprinkle onion powder over the melted butter and sauté for a minute to let the flavors develop. Add in some minced garlic and a sprinkle of Italian seasoning. Stir and let that cook for just 30 seconds to release all those lovely aromas. To deglaze the skillet, we're using chicken broth instead of wine. Pour it in and bring it to a gentle simmer. Reduce the heat to medium-low and whisk in more chicken broth along with some cream. Add pumpkin puree and whisk it all together until a smooth, creamy sauce forms. Time to add your pasta and the kale. Stir them into the sauce until everything is well combined. Let it cook for 7 to 10 minutes, stirring occasionally until the kale is wilted and the gnocchi is tender. Add the sausage back into the pan and stir it into the sauce. Taste the sauce, and if it needs a little extra seasoning, add some more salt and pepper. Finally, sprinkle some fresh Parmesan cheese on top until it melts into the dish for that final touch of flavor. And there you have it. Creamy, savory pumpkin gnocchi with sausage and kale, all cooked outdoors with the help of Chef, our portable, battery-powered stovetop. Perfect for cooking wherever life takes you.